Hi everyone, this is Rich, and I'm going to walk through step 1 of Lab 1 for cis192. We're going to assume that PuTTY has already been installed on your computer or the workstation you're using in the CIS lab. So let's run PuTTY. Okay, and let's connect to opus, opus.cabrillo.edu. We're going to log in as Benji here. So that's SIMBN192. Put in the password. There, now we're in Opus. Okay, so what the instructions in the lab ask you to do is make a copy of the file lab01, which is in the depot directory of home cis192. Let's just make sure that file is there. Let's use the ls command /home cis192. Use tab complete here, depot, lab01. Yep, it's there. So let's copy that file into our own directory. I'm just going to go up arrow to bring back the last command, and I'm going to change the ls from ls to copy. And I'm going to copy that file to here, the home directory. And now if I do ls, there it is. So the next step is we use vi to edit this file and add our own information. We're going to do this for Benji here. Okay. So let's add some information. Go into insert mode. Benji Sims. Date started. What's today? Today is September 13th. 09/13/2011. Date completed. Well, we haven't finished that yet. Time spent doing well. We don't know yet. We haven't finished. Okay, but we did put our own name on it. So let's save this. I'm just going to write it out. I did escape : W, and we saved it. And in fact, let's quit. See what we do next. Okay, use the who grep $logname command. This is the next instruction. Let's do a who and see if anybody else is on. Oh yeah, someone else is on. It's early in the morning. Right now it's just turned 8 o'clock, and we've got 2 people on Opus. So what we do is we use the who command to see who's logged in. You can see that there's one user here, Pal Layer 191, so a student in the 191 class, and Benji's login here, SimBen192 from the 192 class. We have 2 logins to Opus. The information out here shows which pseudo terminal is being used by that session, and this shows where they're coming from. So this shows that this user looks like they have a Comcast account, and this user, Benji, ourselves here, has a Crucio account. So you can see where they're coming from. So what we're going to do is we want to capture that information for ourselves and record that in our log01 file. So if there were a lot of users, you could do who, and you could say grep $logname. Okay, and then what that will do is take that who output, send it to the grep command. Grep command will look for $logname. $logname gets expanded by the shell into the user's logname, which would be SimBen192. So this will just print out SimBen192. And what we want to do is put this information into our lab01 file. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select this host name here with PuTTY. I'm going to VI our lab01. I just did up arrow a couple of times to bring that command back. And I'm going to go down here to logged into Opus from, go into insert mode, and I'm just going to click the right mouse button on the mouse to paste in that host name. So there we've completed step 1 for Lab 1. Let's save it. Let's cat it out. There it is. Okay, that's it for now.